Hello everyone. Today this delightful 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom unit, complete with living/dining and kitchen open concept, is nestled in Cools Hill of Belvedere Heights, offering an ideal blend of comfort and convenience. Centrally located to essential amenities, this fully grilled property is move-in ready and perfect for a family. Let's take a look inside. The price this one is renting for is JMD $220,000. If you want to view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more video like this. Thank you.